Hey YouTube, it's your boy Torn TV. Boy Torn TV. Boy Torn TV back. Boy Torn TV. Torn TV. Boy Torn TV. Boy Torn TV. Hey, it's your boy Torn TV. We back with another video. We back with another banger, man. But look, today's video, this video is sponsored by kupckakerie. Let's go ahead and get into their card. kupckakerie, more than just cupcakes. These are the founders, Henry and Kasha Adalaya. They're the founders. This where it's located, 2781 Main Street, East Point, Atlanta, Georgia, 303344. Their phone number is 404-975-3751. These are their emails, hello@kupcakerie.com. This is their website, www.kupcakerie.com. Let's read on the back. These are all their social medias. kupckakerie, let's be friends. Follow us at kupckakerie on Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. But now for the good part. Let's go ahead and get into the cupcakes. Let's go ahead and show y'all the cupcakes. So the first cupcake we're gonna be showing y'all today, I gotta get the names, but this is what it look like. I gotta get all the names of the cupcake. It looks delicious, guys, by the way. Let's get the name of this cupcake. Now this cupcake is named Black Forest. This is what this cupcake is named. Black Forest. It got a cherry on top with a black dipped in a cherry dipped in chocolate. And it has little chocolate things right there. Looks good, guys. This is the first cupcake we're gonna be getting into today. So let's go all dig all in. Let's do this. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the box. It comes in a box like this. It says kupckakerie right there. It's a white box, got a cupcake in the front, and if it's smaller, you get a smaller box. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's taste this cupcake. It tastes good, and it has some cherries in the middle. Cupcake tastes good. Chocolatey. If you like chocolate, this is a good cupcake. I not like the flavor of it. It don't taste too sweet, and it don't taste not sweet enough. And then I always like when you have a fruit on top and you have a fruit inside, it's delicious. All right, let's go to the next cupcake. This cupcake right here is called the Red Velvet Cupcake. It looks like that. Let's go ahead and get into it. Sorry for licking my hands. This just tastes so good, like it's delicious. Let's go ahead and get into tasting this one. The Red Velvet Cupcake. It looks like this. It looks good. Let's go ahead. It's just something about red velvet, what I love. And the cupcakes taste so good. I gotta have another bite. And I like that they put a heart on top of it. That's creative. And then like the love of the cupcake, when you taste it, you see the heart, you just bring it again. It reminds you of Christmas. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next cupcake. Next cupcake is a main squeeze, like a lemon cupcake. Oh, this tastes so good. Like, oh my God. And by the way, they have beverages too. If you like, you're a coffee guy, all that type of stuff, they have those. This smells good. And like, you never have the cupcake or it smell good before you buy it, make your mouth water. Like, I remember. All right, let's go ahead and take a bite. And like, I can't keep saying it. Like, it's not sweet. It's not too sweet to the point where you don't want to keep buying it. It's too sour. And it's not like not sweet enough. It's like just right. I swear to y'all, it tastes so good. All right, let's go to the next cupcake. This cupcake right here, guys, is one of my favorites. I've been going there for like for like 5 months now. And this cupcake is called Cookie and Dreams. This cupcake right here. If you can see, it has like chocolate chip on it. It's a chocolate cupcake with vanilla frosting. Looks like vanilla frosting, but you already know this look good off the rip. Let's go ahead and open this paper up. Let's go ahead and taste it.
Yeah, boy, oh man.
I don't know what they put in this cupcake, but this cupcake tastes so good, make me want to slap my mom. That clip. Let's take another bite. Oh my God. That one hit like it's chocolate and I got. I don't remember what she told me or this was, but I know it's a vegan. It's vegan something. I don't think I got this one, but this is a vegan cupcake. For all my vegan eaters out there. I like the smell. It smells like it got oh my God. Let's go ahead and taste this. I don't know what it tastes. It tastes like summer. Like, I'm not gonna capture you. It tastes like when you bite into it, it tastes like you on a beach somewhere biting into this cupcake. Like it brings that type of vibe in my body. Let's get another bite. That was good. For the next cupcake, it's like a birthday cupcake, but it's not called it. I'm gonna check. Jazzy Jane, I think that's what it says. Guess what this cupcake is? Has sprinkles on it. It looks delicious. After this video, guys, I'm gonna tie these cupcakes up. About 2 of each cupcake. Oh my god, it smells so good. Like, oh my god, let's go ahead and take a bite. I like how I got like these little dots, these little balls on it. It was delicious. Tastes delicious too. Feel like a birthday cake, like an actual birthday cake. So you gotta remember I got braces. So a lot of these flavors, I gotta brush my teeth after this. But overall, all the cupcakes are delicious. cupcKerie, you do a good job by making your cupcakes, and the display of the cupcakes looks beautiful. But what I'm taking home for today as the best cupcake, just knowing me and what I've been growing there, it's gonna have to be the Cookies and Dreams. It was a very delicious cupcake overall. It had a lot of chocolate in it. I'm a chocolate guy, so I love chocolate. And it was just delicious to me. So yeah, it's gonna be that cupcake. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. If you want to know anything, I'm gonna put all their social medias at the end of the video. Their phone number, their website, if I ever want to taste one of their cupcakes, like I said, their address is 2781 Main Street, East Point, Georgia, 303-344. That's where they're located, guys. And then their phone number is 449753751. The email, hello@cupcakerie.com. The website is www.cupcakerie.com. But guys, this is the end of this video, and we're finna do our intro, guys. Let's go ahead and do it. Bye bye.
Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your